हेलो क्लास, वेलकम टू BMGDC ई क्लासेस। आज हम मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस के पार्ट 5 का आंसर देखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस के पार्ट 5 का आंसर। Our first question is, auditor should be dutiful like a watchdog, a bloodhound, a detective, an insurer. So the A, a watchdog. Next question is, auditor in general is an employee of the company, agent of the shareholders, and none of the above. Right answer is agent of the shareholders. Question number 68. While checking allotment of shares, the auditor should see that it is made within 100 days of issue of prospectus, 120 days, 150 days, or 80 days. The right answer is option B, 120 days of issue of prospectus. Our next question is question number 69. Which of the following percentage of nominal amount of shares should be received within application? Option A 10, 15, 5 and 6. The right answer is option C 5. Next question is, while checking allotment, auditor should see that amount equal to estimated fixed capital is received, equal to estimated working capital is received, necessary for purchase of land and building has been received, and none of the above. The right answer is option D, none of the above. Next question. For restriction regarding allotment of shares, the auditor should refer to section A 25, option B 75, option C 64, and option D 69. The right answer is option D, section 69. For checking that allotment of shares has been properly made, an auditor should refer to cash book, shares ledger, director's minute book, shareholders minute book, and the right answer is option C, director's minute book. Our next question is question number 73. Auditor should see that the return of allotment has been sent to registrar within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 40 days. The right answer is within 1 month. Question number 74. Application money should not be withdrawn unless allotment is made, cash book has been prepared, certificate to commence business obtained, and certificate of incorporation obtained. Right option is certificate to commence business obtained. Question number 75. Shares issued for consideration other than cash should be vouched with the help of director minute book, shareholders minute book, contact with the party concerned, and the last is cash book. Right answer is option C, contract with parties concerned. Our next question is question number 76. A company can issue redeemable preference shares if authorized by Memorandum of Association, Article of Association, Companies Act 1956, none of the above. And the right answer is Article of Association, option B. Question number 77. Auditor should see that amount received for premium on issue of shares should be shown in subscribed capital, capital reserve account, share premium account, and paid up capital account. The right answer is option C, share premium account. Next question is, share premium account should be shown in the balance sheet under paid up capital, subscribed capital, reserve and surplus, and last reserved capital. Right answer is option C, reserve and surplus. Our next question is question number 79. Amount of shares premium may be utilized for payment of dividend, writing of preliminary expenses, routine expenses, purchase of fixed asset. The right answer is option B, writing of preliminary expenses. The last question is, shares can be issued at discount under section 76, 75, 79 or 89. The right answer is option C, section number 79. तो ये थे हमारे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन के पार्ट 4 के आंसर्स। अब हम देखेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन पार्ट 5, जिसमें आज हम सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस की बात करेंगे और फिर हम आपको आंसर्स देंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस पार्ट 5। Our first question is, interest on call paid in advance according to table A should not exceed 6%, 5%, 10%, D 14%. Question number 82. Shares can be issued at premium under section 76, 75, 78, 79. Question number 83. Company can accept calls in advance from its shareholder under section 82, 79, 92 and 78. Question number 84. Shares can be issued at discount only after 2 years of commencement of the business, 1 year of the commencement of business, 3 years of the commencement of business, or 5 years of the commencement of business. Our next question is, with regard to issue of share warrant to the bearer, the auditor should see that it is permitted by memorandum of association, B, sanctioned by the central government, C, permitted by the board of director, and D, none of the above. Question number 86. For the forfeiture of shares, the auditor should check it is permitted by memorandum of association, by article of association under Companies Act 1956, and D, none of the above. Question number 87. Premium received on issue of shares later forfeited should be transferred to capital reserve, share forfeited account, capital account, none of the above. Our next question is question number 88. With regard to issue of share certificate, the auditor should refer to section 110, 113, 114 or 123. Question number 89. Increase in share capital is permitted by memorandum of association, article of association, court, or Companies Act 1956. Question number 90. Divisible profit should not include capital, depreciation, none of the above. Question number 91. Dividend cannot be paid out of capital profit, capital receipt, revenue receipt, none of the above. Our next question is, capital profit imply profit earned through business transaction, from capital, from sale of fixed asset, from sale of current asset. Question number 93. Capital profit can be paid by way of dividend, cannot be paid by way of dividend, can be paid by way of dividend under certain conditions, and none of the above. Question number 94. If there is capital loss, the auditor should A, not follow payment of dividend, allow payment of dividend, allow payment of dividend after making such loss is good, and D, none of the above. Our next question is question number 95. A company auditor should see that dividend should be paid after charging depreciation, without charging depreciation, out of capital, none of the above. Question number 96. In his report, the auditor give his judgment, B, opinion, C, guarantee to correctness of accounts, and D, true state of affairs. Question number 97. Civil liability of an auditor imply liability for misappropriation of cash, misappropriation of goods, fraud, and misfeasance. Our next question is question number 98. An auditor can be held liable under Companies Act 1949 for negligence, criminal offence, professional misconduct, breach of contract. Question number 99. Investigation of books of account and record is not legally compulsory. Compulsory as per Companies Act, compulsory as Income Tax Act. And last question is, investigation is carried on behalf of manager, employee, client, on behalf of owner and third parties. So these are the questions for today that you have to answer. Please send me answer on the Google Classroom. If you have any query, any problem regarding these questions, you can easily ask me on the Google Classroom.